Okay. We've got some good tasty jams going, and we are live. So I'll leave the chat up way over in that corner. So let's see. The issue with building things so quickly when you're doing product development is sometimes your design file doesn't represent what's actually built. So I have an older iPhone here and it has the live build. So what I'm doing is I'm going through this and I'm actually mirroring the outdated design files to what is actually in production now. So what I'll do is I'll set these pages up. So I'll have production apps and then I'll have explorations. But right now I know that there's a couple things I need to do in order to get everything up to date. So that way, oops, I do change that. So that way when I hand this file off for my team to make edits to, and when it comes to copy, I'll know that this file is the most up-to-date one. So let's see, here's a screen that I need to make. I mentioned this stuff in my course on how I use Figma, because there's a lot of tips that you can do to make your workflow faster. So I need to make these blocks because this is something that we built. Sometimes it's better just to build it and get it in your hands. If you have the luxury of actually building something, then do that rather than just faking it. I keep this live stream going for like 20 minutes. I'm not sweating the details on these things. I just want to get the kind of the gist of all the screens in place. So I have this where are we heading, and for those of you who don't know, this is the app that I'm launching next month. It is live entertainment on demand, allows entertainers to build their books, manage their gigs, payment, all that stuff in one place. And for customers, it allows you to order short bursts of entertainment. Think like flamethrowers, magicians, live musicians, cool stuff like that. Where are we heading? Empty. Really important too to keep a clean design file. The designer I was working with, that I still work with, doesn't keep the file all that clean, so it just makes it a lot easier. Like the difference between opening up a file like this and seeing like just kind of everything all over the place isn't fun to use. Makes it harder actually to use. So what I've been doing is actually I've been cleaning up a lot of the stuff in here. Hotkeys are also helpful. So basically shift 1, 2, and 3 are kind of the jam. This playlist is fire. So it looks like when you start typing, Gotta be a better way to do this. This will have to do. Okay. That screen's good. Again, I'm actually going through the app. So most of this is good. So this is the product hook. So I go through and land on this screen. Am I missing anything? Startup, no image available. That's something we also need. Don't ever use drop shadows like this stuff. It looks really, really old. Just an FYI. So I'll grab these. Those are just different states. Book a Rapture is what it says. Okay. This super outdated. Hey, Akshay, what's up? This is at the sign in to chat. Yeah, I'm back in Florida. Let's see. Back in Florida. Yes, sir. Okay. Where did that just... Oh. Okay. Okay. I need to see 25. This does not look at all centered. Throw the account here. Show all. Gotta always remember to fill in your empty states. Not everyone's gonna fill in all their data. Okay. Let's see. Hey, Matthias. Thanks, I appreciate you liking the content. I think it's probably gonna be $100 for the people that have been like following my channel. I've been working on it for a while. It's quite a bit of work. I was looking at like, it's kind of a hard meter for pricing stuff because I'll look at other courses and they're like $1,000 or like $600, and I'm like, that seems really high. So I want to do it where it's enough money that you'll value it and that I'll spend way more time on it, but not high enough that a lot of people won't get it. Like, I want a ton of people to get it, but I don't want to give it away for free. So I figure 100 is probably a good price. Right now, I am going through my designs. So I have an app that I'm launching, a company that I'm launching, and I'm building it faster in the code than I am designing it. So there's a lot of designs, what you find when you're designing stuff, that don't actually, even if you prototype it and it feels amazing, it won't actually play out in real life like you think. So it could be something like, you know, this app allows you to book live entertainment on demand. And in this app, in the original designs, I didn't have this little show me all artists button or link text, which frankly isn't even that obvious to tell that it's clickable. But so we didn't put that in there, and what I noticed is as soon as people start using this, they want to see the entire library of artists without having to search, without having to select a time. So we didn't think of that, and then we went and built it and got users using it, and they really liked it. We got good feedback, but now I'm going back and I'm basically just taking all the additions that we had made in the code, and I'm updating my design file. It's really important because you want to basically have a couple different pages. So this is Figma, it's a design program. But you want to have a page for what's production, like what's actually built, what's coded. And then you want to have explorations, which would be like a page for stuff that like you might end up building. So like this sign up flow for entering in your address and selecting it and all that stuff. Like, this is an exploration because it's not built, but it's something that we'll probably need. So I'm actually putting together this whole file, kind of cleaning it up. So I'll grab this exploration and I'll put it here. And then I'm just kind of cleaning things up. So happy to have you in here. All right. This is add address, build. Let's see. There's a lot of stuff in the app that you just wouldn't think that you have to have. So it is funny how this stuff works. Okay. So now I need the bookings views. Book adjuster, entertainer. My light died. No way. It is super dark in here now. Let me get a plug. Whoa. So this company Movo sent me this light. Battery doesn't last very long. Only been streaming. I don't know how many minutes I've been streaming, but I feel like the light only lasts for like 20 minutes. Anyways, we're back. Okay. Entertainer. Production customer. Okay. This is such a good song. Shrimp. Okay. Cancel booking. What is this thing? This is if you want to cancel. Okay, yeah, customer cancel confirm. Customer cancel confirm pop up. You guys and gals, there is so much stuff that goes into an app. It's wild. And it's just the beginning. You make this thing and it's just the beginning. Okay. This is customer canceled. Cancellation warning. Lining up this stuff so that it just basically follows the user flow. Okay. All this canceled stuff is conditional. Don't need that. Don't need that. Well, maybe I do need that. Confirmed. Sure. Gonna need these. A lot of designs around cancellation. Cancellation warning, cancellation policy. Okay, I think that's it for the core flows. Now we need their account. Forgot password. Of course. What the fuck? Fuck adjuster 19. Don't need that. What else is there? Covered all that. I'm gonna wrap up this live stream. I want to do this as an experiment. I think it's been like half an hour. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I'll do this more often. But yeah, it's basically just a chance to see, you know, some behind the scenes stuff. This song is a banger. If you're interested in learning how to get into product management, how to build apps and stuff, sign up for the program I'm putting together. Link is in the description. This is Figma, and I've been enjoying